Ah, in the one night, the snow was chirping, a wind blooming, and the house feels like a horror story. I see a guy walking on past, and I can see the vengeance in his eyes. Never in my life see that guy before, but this is the first time I see him. I want to reach him. I want to say, "Hello, how are you? Are you lost? What are you doing right now? Who are you?" But I never, in my eyes, see this kind of man before, so I was scared. So I brave myself, go and say, "Good morning, sir. What are you doing here at midnight?" And the man looked at me, strangely, and smiled. "I'm just passing by." And I said, "But sir, this is my lawn." And the third person say, "I know. I just walk about the street. I've never caused no harm. It still hurts me. It still scares me. What is this girl one? What is this guy's one? Why you say girls, you dumbass? Why is this guy one? What his intention is? What he really want? I just want to know though. Why he walked past me? Why he walked past by my home? Why he walked past by neighborhood? Why he always there?" The next day I was curious because the guy suddenly went missing. The same guy as he walked past my home is the guy that's missing. I was like, "Oh God, where is that guy? What happened to him? The night that I met him, what happened?" I was get cold. I get shiver. I feel so tired. I don't know what happened. I don't know what's gonna be. But man, what's gonna happen to him? Where is Lost go? Where is he? Why suddenly he's gone? And I was like, I need to find it out. I need to investigate it. I need to find out where this guy is. What happened to him? Maybe we can find a clue. Or maybe I can find him. So that night I braved myself to go out in the bush again, looking outside. But now I bring a friend, my dog. What the fuck? So anyway, me and my dog wait to the hallway and suddenly the same guy walked past by my hall. My what the fuck is it right? Is no, it's my porch. Why you say it's a porch? It's my parkway. Fuck, I need to find the words. Oh, comedy. So so anyway, I see the same guy walk. I say to him, "Hello, sir. Where are you going?" That man look at me and smile. "I'm just passing by. I'm no mean harm to you guys. Just let me go." And I say like, "Sir, where are you going?" And that guy is still walking. I was so scared to follow him, but I have to. So I was following him from behind. I tried to sneak in, get a little bit of distance so he would notice. "Hello." And then suddenly, someone, some people suddenly opened his eyes. I was like, "What's that? What's that?" Suddenly this guy went missing. I was like, "Wait, he's gone. Wait, what happened to him?" Sir said, "You don't know where I'm gone. You don't know where I'm from. Next thing I know, he's behind me. Look at me, disappointment. You shouldn't come here. You shouldn't follow me. But again, I lure you into this trap. The trap? Yeah, this is where you meet your demise. We need to sacrifice. And you are the one that we chosen. Your curiosity is so high that you want to investigate it. That you really, really want to know the truth. That you dare yourself. Now, get ready to become trap. I was so scared at the time. I was like, what's gonna happen to me? The guy is back at me, holding me, and then I was running away. Running so far away. I've never felt like running so fast before. I never feel this adrenaline in my life. When I ran, I suddenly fell. I was looking behind. That guy was walking near me. I know that my ankle is not here anymore. When I slept, my ankles. That's the most bullshit I've seen in my life. When I slept, my ankle is gone. I feel hopeless. I know it's there. As a medical person, I would not recommend. As a medical person, this is bullshit. So back to the story then. Uh, yeah, the medical one. Okay, my anger is gone. I cannot walk anymore. The guys walk past me and say, "Look what you did to yourself. You still cannot walk. What's wrong with you? Just become a sacrifice and become with us. You will be free, and you will become the slave, the owner of a new master. You become the sacrifice, and you will see what's behind that door." The man dragged me. I tried to push him away. I tried to get out of it, but I can't. Suddenly, I go to the first door I ever see. There's nothing in there. It's only a door and the stairs. The man dragged me up to the stairs and walked to the door. And the man threw me out of the door. It was a beast, full of dark, red and yellow. I've never felt this before. The horror, the trauma. I see people screaming. I heard people reaching for me. I hear people begging. I hear people want to say he wants to change his life. I was like, what is happening? Is this a depth of hell or what is it? Apparently no. It's more worse than that. It was a bag of regrets of all the people that do sins in their life but never have a time to forgive. I see the face, I see the torture, I see the lot of regrets in their face. They want to say goodbye, they want to say I'm sorry, they want to say I'm wrong, but they cannot do that. Now, all I see is regret. I look at myself. What a regret that I make. What did I do? The only regret that I make is following is you. Is this some kind of punishment because I'm regretting it? Is this the punishment that I get? I have never seen that man, but I can hear his voice and say, no, your regret is the day when you start to asking yourself, hello sir, good morning sir, are you lost? You know, sometimes life is more good when you're quiet and doesn't bother other people. I was like, no, there's no way the regret is because that. I still cannot believe it. Am I gonna be like this to the rest of my life? Am I gonna be dead? Am I gonna be the same person that people gonna hate? I was like, no, there's no way I'm gonna do this. There's no way person gonna leave me. There's no way the regret It's gonna be something so simple, yet so scary, yet so dumb. Maybe my regret is not that, but maybe the regret that I have is most is I never say goodbye to my family. When I go to this deep of hell, I never know that the regret that I gain is the same regret that I see. When I land to the bottom, I see a dark face smiling at me and said, "Were you satisfied? Were you learn your mistake? Were you know what you do wrong?" And I was like, yes, I know in my life I need to keep it for myself and maybe express it to others and never do something for my own, but have others to help me. And then people say, and then the figures say, "You are right, but you have nothing wrong. You are in the deep of pit of hell right now, and you cannot do it anything at once. You're stuck here for life, but I can give you a chance. If you can say that what you really life regret is, I can help you get away. You're still young, you're still naive, you don't know what happened. The only thing you know is you only stuck here, you only been dragged here, and you don't know what's gonna happen." I was like, yes, I hope. And I would say my regret, and he says, no, that's not your regret. You have to fight for it more. You have to think, or else you get stuck on this abyss of hell forever. The guy was so scared, doesn't know what to do. He started to think, what do I say wrong? What do I regret first? What do I did? Apparently he have no idea. Apparently he tried to figure out what. Days go by, he still cannot think about the regret, and suddenly he lost hope and go to the man. "I don't know any regret that I have. The only regret that I say is never say goodbye to my family. That's it." The man smiled and said, "Try again. You will get it. It's closer than you think. Think about it for a moment." And the guy slipped there and said to himself, "What did I did? What did I do? What regret do I do? Where did I come from?" And the man looked at me and said, "Think it with your heart, not with your brain. Think what you did and what you regret gains." That's when I know maybe the regret is not come from this, but the regret is come from myself. And then I finally found it. The regret that I want, the regret that I need, the regret that I love, the same regret that I have for years and years and come. Finally be in life. I regret everything in life. I regret when I said, I regret when I miss an opportunity. I regret when I try to achieve something and still doesn't get it. I regret the day that I cannot still do anything but hope that other people will do it for me. I regret the day that I have forced other people to be in my life. Now I regret it, and now I regret it more when the people is not in my life, because at the end of the day, I was in the pit of this hell, sorrow and suffering, while they are crying upstairs, learning where I become, where I'm going, where I'm missing. I should be this. I should I should spend more time with them. The man smiles. "You almost got it. You do. There's one word you're missing that you never knew. What you gonna say? I will never sue. I just wanna say the regret is near at you." I was still baffled. What's wrong with me? I already get this. I still don't know what's wrong. And then the man said, in a soft tone eye, "Your regret is Maggie's. You never pray to God on doing everything on your eyes. And I was snap. I was like, oh my god, I didn't think about it. Why I never thought about it? Why I never dream about it? The regret I have is never thanks to the Lord, never thanks to God, never thanks to anything. Why did I do that? All I know is everything I do, I try to take credit for myself. I'm a selfish. The regret is I've never said thanks to anyone. And the man smiled and said, you got it. You can get out in the deep of hells, but you have to remember every story in here, every memory you have to keep it secret because that is the regret you won't live. You won't see a long, long time because when you start to talk, it's the day you're gonna regret. You're gonna be back here, same with other people. They try to open their mouth and speak what's happened now.